get that close.
Yeah.
Just show us 10 pounds.
On the buy side, they're pretty
look good?
low.
Oh, that sucks.
And it's like a $900,000 property, so I hope it doesn't.
Could be worse. It could have been better, actually. Could have been better.
Well,
yeah, so you start here, and then you gotta do like, you gotta go down. Ready? I'm winning 1-0. Wait, the win?
Okay.
Yikes. Hey, did better than me though. Check that out.
I'm gonna put it right in here.
That's a sweet apron though.
Bowl. Like this.
Do they give those aprons to everybody?
No, but isn't it fancy? 1 for 5 or 3 for 10?
I tripled my score.
For a 10. There we go.
Oh, that's right down the middle.
I'll get it. I'll get it eventually. No, that's okay.
That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah! Oh! Could have been worse. Could have been worse. All right, that's all right. Hey, the apron got in the way. The apron got in the way.
Hey, yeah, that's
Apron
true.
got in the way. She's doing it for the charity, so like we can't be that mad.
I can't complain. I got back from vacation a couple weeks ago.
You know what? We don't ask questions. We just
doing
embrace
laundry
it.
and packing and doing
All of us have different balls.
I go to an event. I love how they like tell you, this is where you should hit it.
Yeah, like you have. Yeah.
Like I have any control over that. I hate bowling.
All right.
I hate it. I hate it. I hate it.
Oh shit! I was buying a picture regardless.
We went to play pickleball. So it's fine.
That was sick, dude. Hey,
Yeah.
if somebody's got to win, why not us? If somebody has to
that's
win,
exciting.
why not us? And I'm gonna show you why not us right now. Wild. Holly's like, these shoes are gross. Abby's just like, ah. Yeah. Just pretend it doesn't